Key part of being prepared is to stock up your hurricane kit. Kendall Brandt with our Gulf Coast sister station checked out an Ace Hardware store.
Even though no sales tax holiday has been finalized just yet, you still should stop by your local hardware store to grab some batteries, a flashlight, and a generator as we prepare for hurricane season. You could still even get some deals.
Diane Sylvester says she has more than just a hurricane kit.
And we have a hurricane closet. We just have a closet set up with our batteries in it and our flashlights and whatever else we need for the hurricane.
With hurricane season just now beginning, she's not letting the lack of a sales tax holiday hold her back.
We look for batteries really all year long, and we make sure that we have them pretty much set up at right around this time. And it's really batteries we're looking for and water.
Stores like Sunshine Ace are offering deals on batteries and other items despite no tax holiday announcement. Sunshine Ace is even raffling off a generator.
So the more you buy, the more you save, and we're here every day to take care of people.
Which means it could be a good time to invest in tools.
Something you might not think about grabbing, a power drill. Oftentimes you can use these batteries for things like fans to keep you cool.
But then afterwards it comes down to comfort. And you know, comfort could mean a lot of things to a lot of people. For a lot of people, that's keeping their phone charged. For other people, it's keeping their house cool, which means a portable air conditioner or a battery-powered fan.
Staying prepared is what keeps Sylvester comfortable all hurricane season long.
All people really need to do is prepare ahead of time, and therefore you don't have to be in the long lines. You can sit back and, quote, enjoy the hurricane.
And the WESH 2 First Warning Weather Team wants you to be prepared. Our expert meteorologists explain the funding that's available to storm-proof your home and the insurance policies to get before a hurricane heads our way. Surviving the Season, the 2025 Hurricane Special airs this Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. on WESH 2.